I just made these 2-ish ingredient bagels out of tofu. Let's see what they taste like. Hi guys, it's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another video. Today I am going to be attempting to make 2-ingredient tofu bagels. Can you guess what one ingredient is? Yes, tofu. The other ingredient, flour. Yes, we're gonna be making tofu bagels out of flour and tofu. I saw this video on TikTok of this girl making these 2-ingredient tofu bagels and I was like, I have to try this. This is me testing out the TikTok recipe so that you don't have to, or maybe you do, depending on the results of this video. Let's get started on making these tofu bagels. Before we jump into the video, I have to tell you about the best deal ever, which is the plant-based bundle. The plant-based bundle is a collection of over 110 different plant-based ebooks, guides, and courses, and it's sold for a massive discount for only $50. Yes, my friends, you can get over 110 different plant-based ebooks for only $50 total, and that is a 99% off discount, my friends. The total value of this bundle is over, I believe, $3,700, and today you're getting it for only $50. This time it's extra special because 2 of my ebooks are included. My very new vegan sushi at home ebook, because we are sick of eating only avocado and cucumber rolls. We deserve good sushi as vegans, okay? This ebook has so many different vegan sushi ideas that are delicious, creative, and you can do it all in the comfort of your own home. And also my Everyday Asian Recipes ebook, which basically has a bunch of my favorite vegan Asian or Asian fusion sort of recipes. They are delicious. Each ebook actually retails on my website for $25 each. So really, for the price of my 2 ebooks, you can get over 100 more. Some of the awesome creators that are featured in the plant-based bundle are Simnett Nutrition, Mike the Vegan, and Edgy Veg, and there's so many more. Also, there are tons of tofu recipes. I know tofu is one of those things that people have a bit of a hard time with. There are actually 2 ebooks dedicated to tofu recipes. Super excited for those. So definitely check it out. Again, it's only $50 and it's available for a limited time only. So link is below. Get it before it is gone. So let's just see what's going on here.
Did you know you can make bagels out of tofu?
I did not know.
They're hot. This is what the silken tofu looks like. I think the texture is really similar to Greek yogurt. Add this to a bowl, along with 3 cups of flour. I like to do.
Okay, so there's the girl, much more calm sounding than myself. I have here some silken tofu. Now I had a bigger block of silken tofu than like a normal block, so I actually measured out. Oh, look at all this water. Ow. Oof. Guys, I hit myself on the corner here. I do this like 5 times a day, I swear to God. So I'm using about 340 grams of silken tofu. Lovely. I love the texture of silken or soft tofu. I'm gonna add this into a large bowl. Lovely. And I've got clean hands. I've just washed my hands. So here, the lovely lady with the beautiful soft voice says to add 3 cups of flour. She says she adds 1 cup at a time. Oh Lord Jesus. I decided to use a half cup thing because that thing is too big. So she adds 1 cup at a time. So I'm gonna do just that. I think what that means is she adds the 1 cup and then she kneads it, plays around with it, adds more. So this is 1 cup that I just added.
Do this a cup at a time and knead this together until you're left with a really smooth ball of dough.
Okay, so we're gonna knead this together. Oof, that feels funky. Ooh, it feels kind of nice, kind of cool. Feels funny. Oof, let's add more. Oh God, how am I gonna do this? Oh no, I wasn't thinking. Oh no. Okay, I'm just gonna use my left hand. Okay, half cup. Another half cup. That's 2 cups. So we're gonna knead it until it becomes like a ball, okay? Like a smooth ball. Okay, interesting. I don't know how long to knead this for. Do I really need another cup? Maybe I don't need, because she used 3 cups plus like a third more to knead. But I feel like, it feels like it's gonna be, maybe she used a big block of silken tofu too. There was no measurements. Girl, what am I doing? This is a problem with TikTok video recipes. Like, love them, but because they're so short form, it's like, there's only so much info. What do I do? Maybe I'll add another half cup. See what happens there. Okay. So I'm still confused. And now I think I'm gonna just, oh, you can't see. Hello, can you see here? It's like not really like coming together into a ball. So far I've added 2.5 cups. And I think I'm just gonna add the rest. Okay, I'm just gonna trust the process. Although the process is taking a long time. Don't know if I wanna trust the process. It's like sticky, but it's like not coming together. I don't know if that makes sense. What the f? Why is it doing this? Guys, it's not working. My arms are tired, like, do you see this? It's not like coming together. I don't know why. There's no explanation, because my arm hurts. See, like I feel like it's coming together, but then it looks really like it's not actually coming together. So, I don't understand why mine looks very different. I don't know if I'm supposed to keep going, but I've been kneading for a long time, and I don't feel like it's getting any better. So I think I'm just gonna I'm annoyed. So in the video, she cuts the dough into 4 pieces, it looks like. Please work. Okay, and then just kind of makes it into like the bagel shape, you know, the donut. Now how is this gonna stick together? It's gonna stick together? I guess so. Hopefully it doesn't break on me. Gosh, she makes it look so easy, and it's like not easy. Or am I crazy? Am I just bad at this? Probably. I don't want it to look so ugly, but it is. Maybe I need to like wet one side to make it like stick better. What do we think? I wish you could answer me, my friends. Me and baking, we do not get along very well. Let's hope the powers allow it to stick together. Okay, I mean, it's giving ugly bagel. You know, it's giving grade 5 home ec bagel, you know? So we got some questionable looking bagel dough things here. So next step.
I'm filling up a pot with some water, a little baking soda, and some maple syrup. And I'm gonna boil these one at a time for about a minute per side.
Okay. We need to put some baking soda and maple syrup into a pot of water. Now, have I been fooled because I thought it was a 2-ingredient recipe? Clearly it's not. I'll forgive her. Well, depends on if this works. I already have a pot of water boiling right now. I'm gonna add some baking soda and maple syrup. It looks like she just kind of free pours, so that's what I'm gonna do and hope for the best. And then boiling these one at a time, 1 minute on each side. Ah, no. Oof. Ah. Ah. Oh no, what's happening? Oh Lord. Oof, okay. Okay. Oh Lord. Ah. No. Okay, I don't know what's happening. Okay. I just turned the heat down, but okay. Girl, calm down. Woof. So I've boiled these bad boys and I've sprinkled on everything bagel seasoning. You guys seem to love this kind of stuff. What's the hype? It's just seeds. This very popular seasoning, and I've added a little salt as well. The instructions say to now bake this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. Long time. This is a lot of effort. And so far, I don't like this. I'm gonna stick these in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes and let's see how they turn out. Ooh, they look pretty good actually. They look much better than they did earlier. I'm gonna let it cool down for a few minutes before taste testing it.
A few moments later.
Still really hot, but Lord knows I am impatient. So I'm gonna take this little one. Hello, so cute. It does look like a bagel. Will it taste like a bagel? Okay, it cuts pretty well. Well, it cuts pretty well. Is that English? I don't know. Oof. It's dense. Is it raw? Smells smells very doughy. Smells like flour. Not gonna lie. It's giving flour here. It's very dense. But you know, I feel like bagels, you know, they are dense. I wish I had vegan cream cheese, but I don't. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of vegan butter. I'm gonna get the side with all the seasonings. I probably should have put the seasonings on the bottom too. Oh well. Still very nice and hot. All right, let's give it a whirl. Will this taste good? Let's find out. Let me try the side with no seasoning. I just feel like, hold on. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad. I guess it tastes like a bagel. You know, it's very dense. I feel like I could have cooked it a little bit longer. The dough, you guys saw what happened with the dough. I have no idea what happened, but so I think I'm getting the repercussions of the dry dough. I don't know. But it's not bad. I'm gonna eat these for sure. Vegan butter and the seasoning, it's not bad. Okay. No. I mean, it just kind of tastes like a big block of flour, which I guess that's what it was. I would not make this again. Let me just tell you that much. I definitely would not make this again. The kneading process was very stressful. It looks good. Look at this. It's just so heavy. Like, why is it so heavy? Like, it's very dense. Is it even better calorically? Give me a second.
A few moments later.
So it's like worse calorie-wise. I mean, I guess I could have divided this into 6 smaller bagels, but I mean, this is like the size of a bagel, no? Like, anyway, for 1 serving, based on this recipe, I made 4 bagels. Each bagel is 425 calories, 15.5 grams of protein. And I added the everything seasoning as well. Now, what is the macros on a regular schmegular bagel? Everything Bagel Nutrition. 277 calories and 11 grams of protein. So it's not even better calorically. I don't know, man. 400, almost 500 calories for one of these. It just tastes like a block of flour. Just buy some bagels. I'm not gonna lie. Just buy some bagels. Okay? Okay. That was the bagel test, the tofu bagel test. Unfortunately, it did not pass. Okay? I think it is better to buy bagels than make this. Sorry. There is a high chance that I did something wrong, but I really don't know what. Yeah, I just think overall, it's just not worth all the effort, time. I just feel like it is just much better to buy a bagel. You know? If there's any other recipes you want me to try and let you know my honest opinion about, let me know in the comments below. If you guys enjoy these sort of like viral recipe trying out videos, I'll link a playlist down below because I do have other videos pertaining to this topic. So check that out. And once again, you guys, don't forget to check out that plant-based bundle so you can get a whole bunch, so over 110 different plant-based ebooks, guides, and courses, including 2 of my ebooks, Everyday Asian Recipes and the Vegan Sushi at Home ebook, and all of that for only $50. This offer only lasts a week, so make sure you check it out. The link is down below for you to get yourself the plant-based bundle. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!